Hello everyone, this is our Ortho Calendar 2026, The Joy of Moving. This is specifically designed for joint health, musculoskeletal wellness, and pain-free movement throughout the year. Each month carries a movement theme, supported by nutrition and lifestyle tips. January. January focuses on starting the year with movement, shifting the mindset from FOMO to JOMO, that is joy of moving. Awareness Week like National Folic Acid Awareness Week and Healthy Weight Week highlights preventive health and weight control, both crucial for joint health. The nutrition and activity tips emphasizes morning mobility, gentle stretches, short walks and omega-3 rich food like walnut and seed help reduce stiffness and inflammation, along with an expert insight on each page.
This month also marks important national days, including Republic Day, reminding us to begin the year with strength, balance, and well being.
February. February aligns with Rheumatoid Arthritis Awareness Day and World Cancer Day, reminding us that muscle strength is essential for joint protection, especially in chronic conditions. With the theme Strengthen, Do Not Strain, this page highlights that muscles act as natural absorbers. Patients are advised low impact strength training tips along with proper nutrition. March. March includes World Obesity Day, International Women's Day, and World Sleep Day, linking weight, recovery, and lifestyle habits with joint health. Years with the theme Maintain Joint Fluidity and Flexibility. The focus is on hydration as a key to joint lubrications. Patients are encouraged to drink water frequently and include hydrating food like orange, melons, etc. to reduce joint stiffness. April highlights World Health Day, Earth Day, and World Immunization Week, reinforcing prevention and long term musculoskeletal care. With the theme Eat the Rainbow, this page promotes a colorful anti inflammatory plate like red foods such as tomatoes supports blood flow, orange food like carrots and pumpkin aid tissue repair, and green vegetables like broccoli and spinach helps protect cartilage. May marks Mental Health Month, Mother's Day, and World Digestive Health Day, highlighting the close connection between movement, mental well-being, and digestion. Nutrition side focuses on theme Move to Improve. Patients are advised to avoid prolonged sitting, take movement break every 30 minutes, and follow ergonomic sitting practices. Some exercise like sit to stand repetitions are recommended to strengthen thighs and improve functional mobility. June. June focuses on weight management and joint load, coinciding with Fresh Fruits and Vegetable Month, World Environmental Day, and International Yoga Day. With the theme Light Body Happy Joints. This page explains that every extra 5 kg significantly increases stress on knee joints. Patients are guided to adopt gradual weight loss through proper diet while protecting joints. July includes National Doctors Day, making it a perfect month to focus on safe movement and mobility, especially on osteoarthritis and elderly patients. Here we highlight Aqua Base Relief, water support full joint movement with minimal load, ideal for knee and spine patients. This side also includes some simple home stretches and post exercise tips to soothe joints. August marks Bones and Joint Day, so posture awareness becomes very relevant and important in this month. Posture and Poise theme highlights correct sitting posture, which can act like preventive medicines for joints. This side emphasizes on some simple changes like using eye level screens and ankle supported footwear to help reduce chronic back and neck strain.
The month also includes Independence Day, reminding us that strong posture and healthy movement are key to an active and independent life.
September is particularly focused on nutrition. September observes two important events: National Nutrition Month and Falls Prevention Awareness Week. This site focuses on joint detox and circulation boost by sharing some tips like warm lemon water with turmeric and black pepper support inflammation control. October highlights several health days like World Mental Health Day, World Arthritis Day, World Osteoporosis Day, and World Spine Day, giving holistic approach. In soothing therapies, we promote natural pain relief rituals like alternate hot cold pack to reduce stiffness and swelling. Gentle oil massage with sesame and eucalyptus improves blood flow. November. Health awareness is centered on critical global issues in November, highlighting Diabetes Awareness Month with World Diabetes Day on the 14th. The theme focuses on sleep to heal. Rest is when cartilage repairs and collagen synthesis happens. 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep is essential. December brings colder temperature when joint stiffness peaks. We focus on warmth, movement, and nourishment. Indoor walks and gentle yoga keeps joint mobile. Checking vitamin D, B12, and calcium prevents winter flare ups. Each month carries a movement theme supported by nutrition and lifestyle tips.
As we step into 2026, we wish you a very happy new year and prosperous 2026 ahead. We hope these tips add additional value and support better health throughout the year.